What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor. Let's get right into the weather. Alright, so this is the situation we have right here, ladies and gentlemen. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather issued from the U.S.-Mexico border all the way to the DFW area. Here's the risks we have for you. 5% tornado risk for parts of Texas, including Waco. 2% for everywhere else. The wind risk is at 30% hatch, which means there's a 30% risk of 75-mile-per-hour gusts happening within 25 miles of a point. And the hail risk is at 30% as well, which means we have a 30% risk, once again, of 2-inch or greater hail happening within 25 miles of a point right here. We're going to go ahead and read the summary real quickly, and then we're going to get into the models. Destructive hail, some as large as at least as large as baseballs, thunderstorm gusts potentially exceeding 75 miles per hour, and a couple of tornadoes are possible this afternoon and evening from North Texas southward to South Central Texas. Texas this afternoon to this evening. That's the more technical stuff right here. But yeah, that's basically what we got right here. And this isn't me saying this. This is the SPC. And according to them, we are looking at very destructive hail with this. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the timing with this according to the HUR run right here. Thunderstorms are expected to start firing up in the next couple of hours, impacting the DFW area before moving into a squall line as it impacts much of Texas and enters the Gulf of Mexico from there. So that's what we got right here going into that. However, some of these DBZ ratings, which basically measures a lot of the like the intensity of the precipitation with all, just to explain it in simple terms right here. A lot of them are cracking 60, almost cracking 70 in some cases over here. If we can go ahead and zoom in on that. Yeah, 69 dBz. Yeah, 69 dBz in some of these things right here, which that's definitely going to enhance your hail right here. If we take a look at this, 72 dBz. Yeah, that's definitely going to enhance extremely large hail for you guys right here. Next thing we're going to go ahead and show you is the Cape soundings we have for the from the RAP model right here. Look at this. The lapse rate's almost at 9 degrees Celsius per kilometer. The Cape is cracking 3,700 here. We have SRH of around 250. The 1 kilometer shear is not at all impressive. It's at 16 knots, but the 6 kilometer shear is pretty good for supercell development right here at 48 knots. So that's what we're looking at right there. If a tornado does develop, it'll probably potentially be as maybe an EF2 or so, but that's about it. Potential hazard type is tornado. You look at these probabilities: 65% chance of a tornado, 75% of significant severe. Right here, and as you can see, this was taken a little bit further east near Waco right here. Cape is around 3,100 joules per kilogram. We have a lot of supercell soundings right here. It's actually overtaking this whole thing right here. The 1 kilometer shears at 20 knots, so once again, not too impressive, but 52 knots at 6 kilometers absolutely is pretty impressive. That's going to enhance your supercell development right there. Tornado probabilities are pretty good right here, according to this sounding right here. We're going to go ahead and also show you the dew point as well as the Cape and all that. We have this is for 5 p.m. right here. For the HUR, we're already cracking 4,000 joules per kilogram in a lot of these areas right here. But even at 3 p.m., definitely cracking 3,000, 3,500 in those areas. Supercell composite. We're going to show you. Look at the supercell composite up here right here. That's 22. That's a 22 supercell composite rating, guys. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some destructive storms with this, especially according to what the SPC was saying. SIG torque parameter, a little harder to read, but we're looking at 4.6 out of 10, which that's still pretty impressive nevertheless. The SRH is also pretty good in some of these areas, cracking 300 in eastern Texas, but over here it's around 600 to 700. That's telling me there's most likely a thunderstorm sucking all that energy up over there. Last thing we're going to go ahead and take a look at is the dew points. Yeah, the dew points are absolutely crazy. We're from the mid to upper 60s in a lot of these areas right here, which, I mean, that's quite surprising if you think about it right here. So, yeah, there is more than enough moisture, more than enough instability and more than enough ingredients for very large hail, and we'll continue to update you here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. It helps us out and helps us make more videos like these. The goal of this channel is to get more people engaged with weather. Also, if you want to help out with storm reports and if you want to help out with other severe weather that is going on, feel free to join my Discord server. Link is in the description down below. But with that being said, have a wonderful day, guys. Stay safe.